Hi, today I will show you how to turn off or turn on your computer using Android phone. Just click here show IP and put IP here. Okay, now you just go in program X found computer, click here. This is time. 2 seconds, and go here shut down. Do you want really want to shut down your computer immediately? Click OK. Look now. Windows will shut down in less than a minute. That's it. It's very easy and very simple. You can also turn on using Wi-Fi router. Same in this program. Just to go here and put your IP address. Start computer, Nikola PC. There is. That's all you need to work. I hope you like this video. If you like, click subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching this. Bye.